Hey, what's up, everybody out here at YouTube at Yellow Belly? Check it out. See what we got here tonight.
Yeah, that nigga.
Out here with AD, the mechanic specialist. So he should be pulling up behind us here shortly in a bit. Get you guys some footage of the tracks, a couple runs tonight.
Yeah, there's one more pair in front of y'all.
Okay. This is where the fight happened. I was right here. Right over that Mustang guy. Go ahead, bro. You first. Traction was out, baby. You didn't tell me. Let's just go. Let's go. Too far. I know it was better than last time. That was a good launch though. It was green. We took off late again. You saw that? It was green. We're supposed to take off right when it's green. Oh, shit. Damn it, baby. All that. Appreciate it. What'd I get?
9.8.
Huh?
9.8.
What I run last time?
I think it was like a 9.7.
Damn, baby. Same time?
Late again?
Huh?
It took off late.
Yeah, I guess so. But it felt so much more fun. But I was spinning. You said about that? I didn't heat the tires long enough. It's like, damn.
Adrian's running.
Yeah, I'm about to run. I want to watch it. I'm trying to find 2 spots for us. Run. I could have hooked. I mean, yeah, I was spinning. I was like, God damn it. And I ran worse than I did last time.
Ah, shit.
Like, we'll have to do it again later on or something.
Yeah, I need new tires, so.
Okay, okay. I can't believe I freaking. Yep.
You're riding a bicycle.
Yep. Man, I was going faster. Your way, all this stuff's been recording. Backed up, right? Oh, I was supposed to go that way, wasn't I? I was gonna go down Loop 12 to take Dunkerville Road. I don't know, too late now. We're on Clark. This turns into Clark. I was trying to get on the exit Dunkerville Road, but the road sucks over there. Do they? I think the way too, but not the way back. right there with me, dog. Hey, be safe, bro. Yeah, hell yeah. Alrighty, bro. Be safe. Now.
I'm Justin. This is Country Nights Live. 844. Wilson saying she was in no rush to get married because her fiance was it's somewhere over the radio on Country Nights Live.
Should I take 20 or the back way?